Hi, hello friends. All of you, good morning and welcome to our channel, Your Bankers Mantra. I hope all you are good and preparing well. And in this video, I am going to share my filling application of RRB PO. And if you have any doubts regarding this filling application, you can ask in my Telegram group, and I will provide that link in description. So first of all, registration. And here I am giving my name. And confirming my name. And then I am giving my mobile number. And then confirming. And then I am giving my email ID. After confirming email ID, enter security code and then save and next. And then scanned photograph and signature, and I am scanning my photo. And then confirming and scanning signature. And then confirm it. And then basic details. And I am belongs to OBC category. And then are you person with benchmark disability? And that is no. And these are all not mandatory. And next, religion to which you belong, and Hindu. And next, I am not belongs to minority community. And also I am not ex-serviceman. And nationality. Next, have you appeared RRB earlier? And that is yes. And I attempted 3 times. And next state, and I am applying from Karnataka state, and I am belongs to Andhra Pradesh. And center for pre-exam. And center for main examination. And the medium of paper, and that is English and Kannada, or you can choose any one. And then ID proof. And then date of birth. And after that, address of correspondence. And I am giving my address. And confirm the address. And once again I am checking and validating my details. And one more is error, and that is I am not given how many attempts, and my attempts are 3. And then I am validating my details, and then save and next. And there is educational qualifications, and I am BSc computers. And date of passing. And percentage of marks. And then whether the local language of the state was studied in 8th class, and that is no, because I am belongs to Andhra Pradesh state, so in my certificate there is no Kannada language. And then do you have computer knowledge, and that should be yes. and the details of computer knowledge, and then pre-training exam and a language known, then validating, and then save and next, and then bank's preference, and the notification you can check your preferences and then choose the preference, and then registration is completed, and after that document upload list, and that is left thumb impression and handwritten declaration, and I am scanning my thumb impression, and then declaration, after that payment, and after giving payment the application will submit successfully, and I am giving my payment, and my payment is done and application submitted successfully, and that's all the filling application. And if you have any doubts regarding this application, you can ask in my Telegram group, and I will provide that link in description. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon